Springfield morning at the Quickie Mart parking lot. Fundraiser begins today. Bart stacks flyers, Lisa counsels coupons and civic duty. Homer volunteers, shouting dough, ay caramba, banners get stuck. Marge anchors a swing cleaning station while Bart channels chaos. Lisa negotiates with Mo, hoping for donated prizes today. Groundswell of chores spirals, the town misreads the message. Skinner scolds, yet secretly loves the civic spirit anyway. Bart traps Principal Skinner in a sudsy disaster pose. A spilled slime pine cleaner floods Springfield Square stage dramatically. Couch gag chaos erupts as family slides into the fundraiser. Town cheers, Homer's accidental mop parade cleans the mess today. They raise funds, hug at Springfield Plaza, Lisa smiles knowingly.